As we look at section 4, we're going to go back to combining and simplifying radicals. To add or subtract radicals, the radicand, in other words the number that's inside, must be the same. So, as we're adding radicals, I want to illustrate this with the idea of what is 2x plus 3x. You can add these two because they both have an x, and so the answer is 5x. In the same way, if the number inside, the radicand, is the same, we can add the outsides together. So 6 root 3 plus 7 root 3 is 13 root 3. Our second one is very similar. 3 root 7 minus 17 root 7 is negative 14 root 7. In both cases, notice what's inside the radicand doesn't change. Our third example, example C, we have to remember that a square root of 5 is really 1 square root of 5, so when we add them together, we get 3 square roots of 5. If the radicand is not the same, what are we going to do? Well, probably should put a note off to the side here. If the radicand is not the same, what do? You don't combine. I would ask you this question. What is 3x plus 2y? Can you combine those two? No. In the same way, you can't combine these two radicals, and so the answer is the square root of 6 minus 3. Let's look down at the bottom for our final two examples. 1 square root of 6 minus 4 square roots of 6 is negative 3 square roots of 6. And negative 3 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2 is negative 8 square root of 2. So in summary, if the radical sign on the inside is the same, you can combine them.